following is going to be a series of small did you know vignettes, interactions, mostly around right mouse button clicking in various applications. Data Manager, also going to pull up Excel for some folks just to be aware of that as well. And then Destiny Estimator. So I'm in Data Manager at the moment, and first thing I want to do is by going over to assemblies and say, looking at any given assembly, I'm going to go ahead and pick on something like a continuous footing. When you see a form like this, where we have column headers across the top, one thing you could do, and you can try to do this in Excel as well, is that you could certainly double click to expand it out so that you can see all the detail, because right now it's really hard to kind of see each choice and what those choices are. Real quick tip here that I'd like everyone to be aware of is a right mouse button click on any column header gives you some context about the column headers. And one that I like quite a bit is best fit for all columns. When you select on that, now it makes it a whole lot clearer and legible to seeing the different items.